Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, hi, I'm Jasmine Singh. So today I am going to do a Global Desi haul. So there's a sale going on Global Desi wherein you can get up to 75 from 30 to 75% of discount on their clothing items, which includes the festive collection, the kurtis, tunic tops, tank tops, bottoms, jewelry and accessories. So I have bought around 10 to 15 clothes from there. So yeah, I will show them to you, and also all the links will be there in the description. So if you want to buy anyone, you can go check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first up I have this ink blue tank top. The original price is 599. After the off, which is 30% off, you get it for 419. So yeah, it is a very stretchable material, and also it is very soft and stretchable. Also it is very comfy to wear, so when you have to go out, chill or do anything, you can wear this, and below this you can wear a white jeans, jeggings, blue jeans or anything you want, and yeah, you'll get a very chic look in this. So the next up I have this off-white off-shoulder top. So you have these tassels over here, it gives you a very nice look. Also in the bottom you have this elastic, so you can set it up to yourself. In this I am in the size S. So the next up I have is this pink foil print crop top. It is on 75% off. The original price is 1499, but after the off you get it for rupees 375. So yeah, in the color pink, so it looks good. Also it has this small prints. Maybe I don't know what this design is. It looks like a very diya-ish design. Again, I'm in the size S in this. So you can carry it with a blue skirt, or maybe like any color skirt. Most like it would be good if you carry a blue or a white colored skirt. Next up I have this white strip crop top. It has a very beachy feel to it. So it is on a 75% off. The original price is 1299, but after the off you get it for rupees 325. So yeah, it has the strip work. Also I just love these beachy vibes which it has, like maybe just a palm tree kind of finish it has. Also the sleeves, also on the sleeves you have this print, and yeah, when you wear it, it feels good. Again, it is a crop. Next up I have this pink bag print crop top. It has these two strips so that you can tie a knot down your waist. So yeah, it goes well with, if you have dhoti pants, it goes very well with them. I tried them on. So yeah, also it is out of stock right now, because I checked to as soon as it will be there in the stock, you will be able to get it. Also, as it was out of stock, I could not check the price and the offer which is there on it. If I get it if I find the price and the offer. So the next up I have is this green off-shoulder crop top. Again, it has the strings to tie them, to put a knot, and you also have tassels, which I extremely love. Also, it is off-shoulder and crop. So it is on a 60% off. The original price is 1399. After the offer you get it, after the discount you get it for rupees 560. The next up I have is this pink check. It is a check print pink crop top, where again you have these strings to tie a knot. Also on the side, it is not available in the color pink, it is available in green color. So yeah, it is on 60% off, and the original price is 999, and after the discount you get it for 400 rupees. Next up, So the next I have is this white Aztec applique crop top. It has these geometric prints on here. It has these geometric print, and it is again it is in the color white, as you can see. Wear it with black pants, dhoti pants. It looks very good with dhoti pants, which I own from Global Desi. So it is on a 75% off. The original price is 1699, and after the discount you get it for rupees 425. The best part about this is the geometric print which it has over here. So it looks very good when you wear it, as you can see over here. Next up I have is this yellow crop top. The print is very beautiful, as you can see, or maybe you cannot. The print is very beautiful. Also, again, this is out of stock right now, so as soon as it will be there in the stock, I'll check the price and put it over here somewhere. Also, the link of this would be there in the description, so you can go and check it out. Next up is this black top, which has this peacockish print, white peacock print on it. It is actually a thread work, it is a very intricate thread work. So it looks nice when you wear it, as you can see. It looks nice. It looks nice when you wear it. It is a crop top. It is a very crop top. So you need a high waist jeans with it. High waist, you can pair it with a black high waist jeans or a white high waist jeans. Also a blue one will also look good. It is very good. So it is on a 60% off. The original price is 1299. After the off you get it for rupees 520. Next one is this aqua floral cold shoulder crop top. So yeah, it has flower prints. It has a flower print to it. Also it looks very good with dhoti pants, or if you have some sharara or a plazo, multicolor plazo pant. So it will look very good with it. It is on a 75% off. The original price is 1599, and after the off you get it for rupees 400. Next up is this white puppet print of shoulder top. It is one of my favorites because it is very stretchable, first of all. Also, it is not a crop top. It is not a crop top. It is a normal print top. It has a puppet print. It has puppet print. The original price is 1399, and after a 75% off you get it for rupees 350. It is very comfortable. Also the cloth is very soft. Next up I have this blue printed top. So it is a very soft cloth. It is a very soft top, and it is very comfortable while you wear it. Also, this design, you see, it looks like a design, but it has a button over here, so you can tie it with the button, or you can just not tie it if you wish not to. Also, the sleeves are really fine. There is attachment of two cloths over here, two different designs. If you can see, the sleeves are like this. I just love this top. Okay, so it is on a 60% off. The original price is 1499. After the off you get it for rupees 600. Not bad. Next up I have a dark blue stitched sari. So the original price is 4799. It is on a 60% off, and you get it for rupees 1920. So this is the blouse. So it has this print, which is a is a good print. Also it is in the color blue. So yeah, blue I have heard is a very royal color, especially dark blue. So as it says, stitched sari, so it is a dhoti style. You have this slit over here. So it is a dhoti style and it has the pallu already made. It is stitched from different parts at different distances. So like it is stitched until it reaches here, it is stitched. After that it is a fall. Also in the end you have these beautiful tassels, which I extremely love because they are in two colors, the two most dominant colors which are there in the sari, that is dark blue and sea green kind of sort of color. So yeah, it looks very beautiful and I'm planning to wear it on Diwali. So next up I have these white pants. I have these white pants, if you can see. So I am wearing them underneath this kurti, which is also from Global Desi. So this kurti, I am wearing these underneath this kurti, which is also from Global Desi. So this kurti is a keto floral geometric print pink kurta. So it has this design, also it has geometrical prints over here. So it is on a 75% off. The original price is 2299, but after the off you get it for rupees 575. Also it is very good print. It is very comfortable. It is very soft, and it has, as it is written, it has geometrical prints which look very appealing from a distance or when you come near. Also it has the sequin work over here, so it gives a very fine look to it. Yeah, so the pants which I'm wearing underneath this kurti are off-white straight pants. So it is on 30% off. The original price is 1499, but after the off you get it for 1049. You have to be very careful when you are wearing these straight pants, because they are see-through, and I did not know this when I ordered it. It was off-white, and yeah, from the picture you don't get to know much, but after I got it I noticed it is see-through. So yeah, you have to be very careful while you're wearing it. Please wear a dark colored kurta, or maybe a long shirt above it. Okay, so last but not the least, I have these multi-shoe. So these are chappals, named as multi-shoe because it has a multicolor. It is in multicolor. It has a multicolor band on it. So yeah, I did not buy it now along with these clothes. I have these for a while now. It was on a sale, so I thought why not add this also. So it is on a 30% off. The original price is 1899. After the off you get it for 1329. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, or you want more such hauls, Global Desi or any such brand, please do like, share and comment about it if you need more of these. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Also, yes, all the links of all these clothing items will be there in the description. So if you want to buy any of these, you can go click on the link and buy them for yourself. Till then, bye.